Mula.
Kaya kanina nanginginig ito. Nanginginig. Ngayon, hindi na nanginginig. They're playing, baby. Don't scare. They're playing. Dogs are playing.
Are you okay?
Dogs are playing.
Ano tayo makayayam tata?
Yeah, I know. Just wait. Just wait. It's a dog's party. Look at this. You want to hold the dog? You want to touch the dog? Okay, King, you will gonna let company her to touch the dog. Auntie is there and you're gonna help her to catch.
Little only. Oh, nalugulog ito tao.
She likes to touch your dog. Hala, baka magsiselos si Oreo. We will gonna ask the auntie later on. It's okay, baby. It's okay because we're holding if there is a wild boar. Wild boar cannot immediately get in here because lots of dogs. The dogs will gonna bark them. You know, the boar cannot come in here because lots of dogs and the dogs are going to bark them. Yeah, the dogs are scared. Andiyan na yung mga baboy kaya tahol ng tahol yung mga aso. Dalawang baboy ay nandito. Lumalapit na yung baboy. Dalawang baboy na lumalapit. Baka kakainin nila. Maybe they were gonna going to eat our food. Maybe they're going to eat the bags. Maybe they're after with the food. Kaya pala lumalapit sila kasi nandito yung mga bags namin, no? Kaya lumalapit yung mga boars.